Okay, factorising. Let's do the numbers and letters differently, separately. So the 2 and the 6, we can see that 2 is a common factor, so I'm going to pull a 2 out. And clearly there's 2 x's here and there's 1 x here, so there's at least 1 x common to both of them. After I pull a 2 and an x out of that, the only thing left is x. And when I pull a 2 out of that and an x out of that, the only thing left is the 3. What we should be able to do is we should be able to check our answer by the reverse process of expanding, and hopefully if I expanded that, 2x times x is my 2x squared, and 2x times 3 gives me my 6x. So we should be able to check our answers. Okay, let's move on to something a little bit harder. Let's go with 3a, b, c minus a 9, b, c, d. Again, we want to separate out our numbers and letters. So let's look at our numbers first. You can see we've got our 3. I can pull out. And now when I look at my letters, no A's, but I've got a B, a C, and not a D. So B and C are in both. B and C. So when I pull my 3 out and my B and C, the only thing left is my A. When I pull out a 3 out of my 9, I've still got a negative 3, and the B and C are gone. Again, I should be able to reverse process that, expand, and get my original answer to check that I'm right. Now, let's go to one more. 20a squared minus, let's just go 10a. You can see here they're both even, so let's take a 2 out. And there's an A. 2 and an A, so I've got 10a minus 5. Because the A is gone, take 2 out of 10 make it 5. So although this is factored, it's like simplifying 10 on 20 to be 5 out of 10. I haven't gone all the way because we all know that can be simplified further to a half. So although this is factored, you're only going to get half marks in the test. So when you're looking at your factors, you want to pull out your highest common factor. Or check your answer. See how there's a 5 here? I need to pull a 5 out of both of that. So when I pull a 5 out of that, 2 5s are 10a. When I pull out a 5 out of that, there's a 2 left and a 1 left with that one. So ideally, although you can go a stepping block, ideally, when you look, you are going to look for the highest common factor and get it done all in one. Good job. Go do some practice.